In this video, I will show you how you can cancel your YouTube Premium subscription on PC. Now you should know that you can only cancel your YouTube Premium subscription on PC if you also started it on PC. So if you started it on your phone and you are doing your billing through your Apple account, then on PC you cannot cancel it, then you will need to do it on your phone. But if you are paying with a payment method that is not tied directly to your phone, then you can go and cancel it by going to your profile picture in the top right and then click on Purchases and Memberships. Then here you will see your membership. Now what you want to do then is click Manage Membership. And then from here you can see for me it says built through Apple, so I cannot cancel right here. But if for you, for example, it's built on a credit card, you can just click cancel. And now for me again, I cannot cancel it right here. But if it is available for you on PC, then here go and click cancel. For me, I need to use an iOS device since I am billing through Apple. If that's the case for you as well, then on your phone, just go to the App Store, click on your initials in the top right, and there you'll find your subscriptions as well as YouTube Premium, which you can then cancel from there. So that's how to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription on PC. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.